What's up, everyone? Scott here, coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf, New York. And I want you to ask yourself while you're smashing subscribe and hitting the bell above, do you want to make $800, $2,400, or $4,000 commissions that the company makes for you? Yes, they've made me well over $50,000, approaching $100,000 in a short amount of time while I was doing other things. A little bit about me. I fired my boss in 2016. I was a cable guy and I went into the affiliate marketing arena and I love it. And I fired my boss with something like this. So let's cut to the chase. Let's get you going. Stay to the end. I have some nice bonuses that's going to allow you to get free eyeballs of my premium eyeballs, traffic leads, because every business needs leads. And because of the price point, you don't need hundreds of leads. It only takes one person to make that $4,000 commission, okay? So you're going to go down the description below, and what you're going to do is you're going to put your email address in here. Once you put your email address in here, it's going to take you over to what we call a bridge page. Don't worry, you don't need to know any of the terminology. This is 100% newbie friendly. We walk you through everything. We answer all your questions. We set your websites up. We set your email up. I even send you traffic. That's the bonus towards the end. I'll show you exactly how you're going to claim that and get that, and what's needed to get that, because you have a business to run and you want it running 1 hour a day while you're doing other things. That's what you call leverage, folks. That is leverage. So you're going to come here, you're going to watch a 14-minute video, and what this is, it shows you exactly what the OCM system is. Watch it through. It's so simple. If you can send an email, you can do this. And then you're going to come down to the products and bonuses. And when we come down to the products and bonuses, I want to ask you a question. Now, can you share a link, which is a web link, and a phone number? Ask yourself that question, because that's all we're doing here. We're sending people to this presentation. Now, this is the product explained. What's the product? We're a membership, so we have a traffic membership like a BJ's Whole Club, a Sam's Club, a Costco. Guess what, folks? We're that for advertising for home-based businesses. This traffic has made me thousands of dollars, so I know it works, and I'm going to do the same for you, okay? This is where we get into the real good stuff here. This is what I mean. Can you share a link, a name, and a number? Because what you're going to do after you're done reviewing, you're going to call this number. You're going to tell Bob Housden, who's the owner of OCM, Scott Darvin sent you, and you've seen me on a YouTube video, and you're ready to rock and roll. So let's go down some more. Let's show you some testimonials like Carol D right here. She's enjoying the system unbelievably. And I want to note on two bonuses right here. Bonus number 1, you do not need to speak to anyone, as I noted in the front. We do all the selling and telling for you. Bonus 2, we make the sales for you and you keep 100% of the commission. Just as if you were to sell. I mean, this is a win-win for everybody. You have a complete outsourced business. Whether you're making extra money, whether you're on the beach, whether you're waiting for money to come in your mailbox to get cash. Does this really work? Dan from Naples, Florida, $12,800 in just a short amount of time. Yes, they do the work. You keep the commission, all right, folks? And it gets better and better as I scroll down here. Michael C. Hey, Michael C. from Alabama, $4,200 in just 3 weeks. Now, these are real people. And what's nice about this, you don't have to be part of Facebook. You don't have to be part of a crowd. This is a personable yet automated business, okay? You heard me correct. Personable yet automated business, okay? The levels to get started at are 1,000, 3,000, and 5,000. I'm at the diamond. It goes diamond, platinum, gold, or gold, platinum, diamond, all right? And when I get into the bonus, I'm going to show you what this 20% is, okay? So we're going to keep scrolling down here and just keep asking yourself this question. Would $800, $2,400, $4,000 help you in your daily, everyday life? Yes or no? Just like Kevin C. $6,400 in just 1 week. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. These are real people having real results because they're following real life people who actually fired their boss like me, who actually was able to create a business from nothing while I was working as a cable guy. So now, as they say, the ball's in your court. So what are you going to do? This is Bob Housden. He is the owner. He actually is very intimate with everything. And I'm very happy with how he closes the sales, how he talks to my leads. Right here, you're going to click here. for OCM instructions. This will take you exactly, show you exactly how you're going to get started. It's the only 3 steps. So stupid simple, folks. And then here, if you qualify, you can try to qualify, you get 0% out of pocket. So where you got to go again, folks, to get all this information, you want to click the link below. You're going to come over here. Now, Scott, you heard about the bonus, and let me show you the bonus. So now, I remember we had a membership. So gold membership right here, you're going to be getting, on the gold, you're getting a 10% discount on all traffic, okay? On a platinum, okay? On a platinum, you're getting... right here, on a platinum, you're getting 500 clicks, okay? With 20, not 500 clicks, you're getting 20% off when joining the platinum. And when doing the diamond, you're getting, this is new, folks, 40% off. So what am I going to do for you? When you join, if you join the diamond, which is the top, I'm going to send 1,000 premium clicks. Remember, it only takes one person to do this. One person, because it's 800, 2,400, and 4,000 directly to you, okay? I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks. You start at the platinum in the middle, I'm going to send you 500 clicks. You start at gold, I'm going to send you 300 clicks. And getting back to that, the overage, remember I was saying that? As I buy traffic for you, what we're going to do is, specifically if you're a diamond, you're going to get a 20% overage. If you do platinum, 15% or 10%. Because I'm going to start that traffic for you. So that's it, folks. Very, very simple. Let's do a quick recap. This is online consistent money. Big ticket, all done for you, 1 hour a day. Smash the subscribe, hit the bell. Get the link in the description here. Get started. Call my team. Get all your questions answered. They'll introduce you to me. And I look forward to connecting with you. I'll see you on my next YouTube video. And remember, consistency is the key to success.